Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. The Bar Harbor Bank and Trust Business Zero Plus card is a commercial credit option issued by Ellen Financial Services, targeting business owners who want a mix of long introductory financing and travel-focused rewards. Unlike most business cards that focus purely on everyday spending rewards, this one is built around a specific pain point, giving companies breathing room when big expenses hit, while adding targeted travel perks on top. For a lot of small businesses, cash flow timing is the real challenge. Strong revenue potential doesn't always line up with when equipment, inventory, or seasonal costs actually come due. This card is designed to help bridge that gap. The headline feature is a 0% introductory APR for the first 18 billing cycles, applying to both purchases and balance transfers. As long as transfers happen within 558 days of opening the account, that's a meaningful window. A business buying new equipment, funding a marketing push, or consolidating older high-interest debt could spread those costs out without accruing interest during that time. Just know that transferring a balance still carries a fee, 3% of the amount or a $5 minimum during that introductory window, jumping to 5% after it closes. Once the 18 months are up, the ongoing APR becomes a variable 16.24% to 25.24%, based on your creditworthiness and the prime rate. So, the real value of this card depends heavily on how it's managed once that promotional period ends. Cash advances are a different story. A 30.49% APR, plus an upfront fee of 5% of the advance amount, with a $5 minimum for convenience checks and a $10 minimum for ATM or over-the-counter advances. These should really only be used in emergencies, not as regular operating credit. Now let's get into the rewards. The card offers 5% cash back on prepaid airfare, car rentals, attractions, and hotel bookings, but only when booked directly through its dedicated travel center. Each cardholder can also unlock a $50 annual statement credit after spending $5,000 through that travel center in a 12-month period. So, this reward is powerful if your business travels a lot, but nearly worthless if it doesn't. There's also a practical protection benefit. If you pay your monthly wireless bill with this card, you get up to $600 in reimbursement if a device is stolen or damaged. Subject to standard policy limits, useful for teams that lean heavily on smartphones for work. On top of that, there's no annual membership fee, and rewards can be redeemed as statement credits, a rewards card, or direct deposit, staying valid for a full 5 years. So what are the real advantages here? The 18-month 0% window is genuinely strong for funding a major purchase or consolidating high-interest debt without draining cash reserves, especially valuable for growing businesses that need to preserve working capital for payroll or inventory. The cell phone protection is a nice, practical touch that can save money versus third-party insurance. And once the intro rate ends, you get access to a $0 fee extend pay plan once per calendar year for 3 months, giving you some flexibility for a large purchase. Now the drawbacks. That 5% cash back is narrowly tied to the travel portal everyday spending like office supplies, inventory, utilities, or client dinners earns nothing extra. If your business doesn't travel often, this card offers very little on top of the intro APR. There's also a 3% foreign transaction fee, which makes it a poor choice for international travel or overseas suppliers. The penalty structure is also worth knowing before you commit. A late payment costs $41. A return payment costs $40, and exceeding your credit limit twice within 12 months adds a $39 fee. Worse, a penalty APR of 30.74% can be triggered by a single payment 30 days late, 2 payments 5 days late, a returned payment, or repeatedly going over your limit, and it sticks around until you make 6 consecutive on-time minimum payments. For a business already under financial pressure, that penalty rate can make things significantly harder. The Extend Pay plan, while convenient, also carries a monthly fee of up to 1.6% of the original principal. So it's a tool for managing timing, not a reason to delay repayment indefinitely. So here's the bottom line. This card offers real upfront financing relief with no annual fee, and it can genuinely help a business bridge a gap during equipment upgrades or seasonal slowdowns. But the value depends entirely on 2 things: strict adherence to payment schedules, and a willingness to actually use that travel portal to unlock the cash back. Businesses that skip the travel center or fall behind on payments will get far less out of this card, and a missed payment triggering that 30.74% penalty rate can turn a helpful financing tool into an expensive liability fast. Overall, this card works best for businesses with predictable cash flow, a clear repayment plan, and travel spending to take advantage of. If your business has unpredictable cash flow or tends to carry a balance, it's worth weighing those risks carefully before applying. That's everything you need to know about the Bar Harbor Bank and Trust Business Zero Plus card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.